Hi everyone, welcome back to Dynamics 365 Universe Beginners Tutorial Series. We're going to learn how to set up number sequences automatically using the built-in wizard in Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. This is a crucial step in the system setup. Without number sequences, many features like vendor creation or journal posting won't work properly. So let's dive right in. What is a number sequence? A number sequence is a system-generated unique ID used for records like master data, like vendor accounts, customer accounts. Transactional data, like journals, invoices, purchase orders. Whenever you create these records, the system uses number sequences to assign a unique ID based on a predefined format. Microsoft has already mapped these needs into what we call references, which are categorized by modules, like accounts payable, accounts receivable, etc. Why set it up automatically? Now technically, you can manually create and assign number sequences for every reference. But let's be honest, it's time-consuming, tedious, and error-prone. Thankfully, Dynamics 365 gives us a much easier option, a wizard that auto-generates number sequences for all applicable references in just a few clicks. Let's walk through that now. Let's learn step by step to automatically generating number sequences. Go to the Organization Administration module. This is the same module we used to create our legal entity. Navigate to Number Sequences, Number Sequences. This is a global form, meaning it shows number sequences from all legal entities, not just the one you're working in. Don't worry if you see a long list. Click the Generate button at the top of the form. This will launch the number sequence wizard. Follow the wizard steps. Step 1. Click Next to let the system scan all required references. Step 2. Review the automatically generated number sequence suggestions. Step 3. Click Next again to see a summary. Step 4. Click Finish to complete the process. That's it. Number sequences are now created and assigned automatically across the system. How to verify number sequence setup. To confirm that the number sequences have been successfully configured, follow these steps. Navigate to Accounts Payable. Click on the Number Sequences tab. Refresh the page. Use the Refresh button or Ctrl plus F5. Navigate to Accounts Receivable. Again, click on the Number Sequences tab. Refresh the page. Check the auto-populated values. Under both modules, you should now see that the number sequence codes have been automatically populated. This indicates that the number sequence setup process was successful and the system is now ready to generate unique identifiers for documents like invoices, purchase orders, sales orders, etc. In the next part of this video, we'll explore the manual method for setting up number sequences, useful for when you want more control. But for now, we've learned how to automatically set up number sequences in the simplest way possible, using the Generate button and wizard. This saves time and ensures consistency across the system.